What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning PHP. My name is QD Danny and you guys are watching my channel Croywood. Alright, so in this video we're gonna discuss operators. What is operator in PHP? In the previous video we have seen we have discussed concatenation. So as you guys can see, this little dot here is that we joined the two sides here, the two strings here, so you guys can see. And what is operators? So in this video, you guys go ahead, I'm going to create one file which is, I'm going to call it operator.php. Alright, so we coming here and we're going to put our PHP tag PHP. I'm going to close it here. Alright, so what is assignment operators? You guys can, we're gonna discuss the operators. The first one is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Okay, what is assignment operator? As you guys can see, the previous video so far we have we've done index, and you guys can see PHP super global and the variables. And you guys look at here, this is comparison operator, but when we come here, this guy is here, this is equal sign is assignment operator. So we assign 1 to 1, so this is assignment operator. So when you guys assign 1 to using this one equal sign, if you guys can see on my screen, this is assignment operator. But if you guys look at, put the next one, another one beside it is called comparison operator. We're comparing the two strings, our two variables, our two statements. Alright, so the next one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic. So arithmetic operator in PHP is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So they all occur when you guys use this arithmetic operator, like just normal multiplication, fraction, division or multiplication. Alright, so and the next one, as we discussed before, is going to be the third one is going to be comparison operator. Comparison. As we said that we're comparing the two values and return either true or false. You can either perform action based on the return value. So if we're comparing two, say for example, if we're using if statement and we're comparing the two values, so if you guys look at here, we are comparing the two values here. If our post f name is Yazdani, then we're going to print this one, otherwise we're not going to print that one. Alright, so the fourth one is a logical operator. Is logical so this is the fourth operator, and it determines the status of the two conditions. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and one by one we're going to discuss, and we're going to demonstrate to you guys how these things all work. Okay, so we're coming here and we're going to put our HTML, and inside the HTML we're going to put a H1, we're going to put operators. Okay, so we're gonna check, and if you guys go here, you see there is in our application, which is gonna show you guys in the Sublime Text, that's this one, this folder. So we have the first folder, there's application, and there is a concat operator, there is a two file here, and if you guys look at here, there is a two file, and that's our operators. If you guys want to put it in the middle, you guys just can put a style and text align center. You guys just put a style, you guys put text align, and it's going to be center. And you guys look at here. Okay, the first one is, we put a say H5. The first one was assignment operator. Assignment operator. And we're going to look at here. We're going to see our first one, which is assignment operator. If you guys can't see, I'm going to put a H3. It's going to be H3. Okay, so now that's assignment operator. That's the first one. Okay, and in here we're going to open our PHP tag. And that's a very good example. You guys get used to it, so you guys get used to this. Embed your PHP inside the HTML, because PHP is embedded language. Alright, so assignment is, we're gonna say we put a value, or we put a first value, or you guys can put anything. So we assign 200 to our first value. And you guys notice I'm gonna put this $sign here. So that's our first value, and I'm gonna echo my first value, because echo, and inside this echo you guys can put your paragraph, and you close your paragraph here, P. And you guys might be saying to me, why using HTML? This is HTML. Yeah, that's fine, because HTML and PHP go hand in hand. And you guys can put the assigned value is, and you guys can put your assigned value, which is first value. Okay. And you guys see here the assigned value, because we assign this 200 to the first value. So the first value is taking this 200, we assign this one, and we outputting this one, the first value. And it's all done inside this, it's like a literal string. If you guys done C++, our C#, our Java, this is a literal string, and this one here using the tag of the HTML. So that's first assigned value. So how we gonna add another value to this assigned value? So the first one, then we're gonna put a first value, and we're gonna put a plus is equal to, say, put a 50. Okay, and then we're gonna copy this one, because I'm a bit lazy, I don't want to write again. Okay, so the edit value, the edit value to the assigned value is, so we're gonna, now we edit 50 to the first value. And if you guys go here, the edit value, even though we have still our first value, but at the second statement here we have put a $50 again. So that's our first value, which we have a 200, and still got the first value, but here we put a plus is equal to, we put a 50. So our value has changed. So now we have edit, and how about if you want to deduct our first value? So we're going to put the whole thing here, and we're going to go here and first value, and we're going to deduct, say, for example, we're going to deduct not 50, so we're going to deduct $100, for example. So here plus, here minus, and you guys can see we are still got the first value. The first value is still here, and you guys look at here, and it's 150 because we are deducting this one. This is still got, as you guys can see, our first value is changing. That was, we initially we assigned 200, and here we assigned 50, and in this one we are deducting the 100. Alright, so the last one we're going to discuss is the concatenation. As you guys know here that we have already done our concatenation, but we're going to discuss again. So we're going to put our first value, and we're going to put a dot, and we put it equal to, say we put a dollars, and we're going to bring this equal, and we're going to say the added value to the assigned value is the first value, or you guys can do the final, say the final dollar sum of value is, and you guys can see here I have added the dot and equal to, so I'm gonna come down, we're gonna see is $150. So you guys leave a little bit room here, and you guys see here. So the assignment operator, as you guys by now you guys should be expert. The assign, we added $200, we have added, so this one should be subtracted value. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. We have added 50 bucks here. The first value is we put a plus equal to, and it's added, and that's subtracted. Okay, the final, okay, now it looks good. Alright, so the signed value is 200, the added value, that's the added value, the subtracted value, that's the subtracted value, and the final sum of the value is $150. Alright, so that's assignment operator. Alright, I think that's it for this video, guys, and in the next video we're gonna go ahead and we're going to discuss the arithmetic operator, then we're going to discuss this comparison and logical operator. Alright, till next video, I'll see you guys, and bye.